How to start eBay dropshipping and Amazon dropshipping. Are you ready to start an online business but worried about high startup costs? What if I told you that you can build a thriving e-commerce store without holding any inventory? In this video, I'll walk you through how to master eBay and Amazon dropshipping step by step even if you're a complete beginner. Dropshipping is a simple business model where you sell products without stocking them. When a customer places an order, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the buyer. Here's why it's perfect for beginners. Low startup costs, no inventory needed. Scalability, add new products easily. Flexibility, work from anywhere. eBay and Amazon are two of the largest online marketplaces in the world. Amazon, over 310 million active users. eBay, millions of buyers trust the platform. Their massive audience makes them ideal for dropshipping beginners. Start by researching trending products. Tools like Google Trends and Jungle Scout can help you identify niches with high demand. Some popular niches include pet supplies, home and garden, fashion accessories. Sign up for an Amazon seller account or an eBay seller account. Both platforms provide tools to manage listings and track sales easily. Your listing is your sales pitch. Here's how to optimize it. Write detailed and engaging product descriptions. Use high-quality images to attract buyers. Add relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Choose suppliers who offer fast shipping and quality products. Start with platforms like AliExpress or Spocket, and always test suppliers before scaling. When a customer places an order, purchase the product from your supplier. The supplier ships it directly to the customer. Handle customer inquiries and returns promptly. Dropshipping is fantastic, but it's not without challenges. Pros: minimal upfront costs. No inventory needed. Flexibility to work from anywhere. Cons: profit margins can be slim. Customer service is your responsibility. Time consuming to optimize listings. Here are some FAQs. Do you need a lot of money to start? No, dropshipping has low startup costs. Can you automate the process? Yes, tools like Oberlo and Sellers can help. Is dropshipping legal? Absolutely, as long as you follow platform policies. Want to succeed long-term? Diversify your niches to reduce risks. Leverage social media to attract more buyers. Prioritize customer satisfaction for repeat business. Dropshipping on eBay and Amazon is a fantastic way to start your online business. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and watch your business grow. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your dropshipping goals in the comments. Let's build your empire together. For details, visit the website mentions below in description.